Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a product that's out of this world. Literally, it's the Medithin 3D Moon Lamp, a unique night light that brings the beauty of the moon right into your home. Cut to close-up shot of the Medithin 3D Moon Lamp on its wooden base, glowing softly. Features and benefits. This lamp is more than just a night light. It's a conversation starter and a piece of art, all in one. Here are some of its cool features. Realistic moon surface 3D printed using data from NASA. This lamp boasts an incredibly realistic moon-like surface, complete with craters and mountains. Dual color lighting, switch between a warm yellow glow and a cool, lunar white light with just a tap on the touch sensor. Adjustable brightness, long press the touch sensor to adjust the brightness, creating the perfect ambience for any occasion, whether you want a cozy reading light or a calming night light. Long battery life, this rechargeable lamp lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for all-night use. Beautiful wooden base. The included wooden base adds a touch of elegance and complements the moon's natural look. Perfect gift. This lamp makes a wonderful gift for anyone who loves space, unique home decor, or a relaxing atmosphere. Show footage of the lamp being used in different settings: bedroom, living room, kids' room, etc. User experience. I've been using this lamp for a few weeks now, and I absolutely love it. It adds a calming and beautiful touch to my bedroom, and the adjustable light is perfect for creating different moods. It's also surprisingly lightweight and portable, so I can easily move it around the house. Show close-up shots of the touch sensor and the different light settings. Overall thoughts. If you're looking for a unique and functional night light that adds a touch of magic to your home, the Medithin 3D Moon Lamp is definitely worth checking out. It's well made, easy to use, and comes at a reasonable price. Plus, it makes a fantastic gift for anyone who loves the moon and stars. Cut back to you, holding the lamp. I highly recommend this product. So, if you're interested in learning more, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Ultra Music Call to Action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome product reviews. And let me know in the comments below what you think of the Medithin 3D Moon Lamp.